Agile Data Engine is a powerful tool when combined with Databricks SQL. In this demo session, we'll show how Agile Data Engine fits into your Databricks Lakehouse architecture. In the demo, we have Databricks Workspace with Unity Catalogs set up. With Agile Data Engine, we will handle data loading to Bronze Layer with Unity Catalog. With Agile Data Engine's data modeling and transformation capability, it is easy to develop silver and gold layers. In addition, with automatic schema management and deployment between environments, Agile Data Engine can enable efficient data ops in your Databricks Lakehouse. Agile Data Engine can handle data loading from Data Lake to Databricks through Unity Catalog. API calls can be sent from the cloud to Agile Data Engine. These API calls contain information about new files in the data lake. Based on the API call contents, Agile Data Engine can generate SQL command to Databricks SQL. These SQL commands are executed when workflow orchestration is triggered. As a result, data is copied from Data Lake to the Data Lakehouse's Bronze Layer. Let's see how it works in action. In the next hands-on demo, we will expand the existing data model in the Silver layer with new entity and data load. Agile Data Engine empowers you to choose the modeling technique that suits your preferences. In this example, we showcase the creation of a Data Vault satellite for historical data storage. If Data Vault isn't your preference, we also provide support for Kimball and Inman approaches to develop your data models. Alternatively, you can employ your own modeling methodology. It's not uncommon for project teams to resort to writing Python and SQL code to make data model changes, a process that can consume a significant amount of time and demand necessary skill set from the team. Agile Data Engine simplifies this process, providing the team with the opportunity to focus on what truly matters, making design decisions. In the next hands-on demo, we will modify the schema of an existing fact table. Automatic schema management is an integral part of Agile Data Engine, allowing schema consistency across different environments without the need for a different set of scripting tools. Applying schema changes automatically reduces the potential for manual errors and simplifies the agile deployment of changes. When changes are committed, Agile Data Engine detects schema modifications and seamlessly applies them to Databricks. Schema alterations are managed with the flexibility to roll back in case of issues. This capability is particularly valuable within the Lakehouse Gold layer, ensuring the prevention of outages or disruptions in consumable tables. In the last section, we will deploy changes to the production. Deployment with Agile Data Engine is easy because of automated schema management between environments. The noteworthy feature of Agile Data Engine deployment is the capability to migrate the schema to the target environment. The schemas are versioned in each environment, allowing deployments to occur without disrupting existing data loads in the target environment. This way, we ensure the agile delivery of changes to production. In a production-scale solution, continuous workflows would be running in production. Deployment management ensures that changes won't disrupt existing workflows, maintaining smooth operations. In the concluding step, we will run automatically generated workflows in the production environment. From the grid and graph views, we can monitor the results and logs. And from Databricks SQL query history, we can see what is being executed. As a last step, we can query the fact table in the production environment.